Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best kitchen tools to elevate your culinary experience. Today, we're diving into a product that has become a must-have in every modern kitchen, the FIVETAS cutting boards with holder. If you're looking for a cutting board set that combines functionality, durability, and style, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. This cutting board set comes with 3 different sizes, catering to various cutting needs, from slicing vegetables to carving meat. Each board is crafted from high-quality plastic, which means they're not only lightweight but also incredibly easy to clean. What's more, these boards are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a busy cooking session. One standout feature of this set is the included holder. It keeps your cutting boards neatly organized, ensuring your kitchen remains clutter-free. No more searching through drawers or stacks of boards. This holder is not just practical, it adds a sleek touch to your kitchen decor. It's a simple addition that makes a significant difference in everyday cooking. Now, let's talk about convenience. The FIVETAS cutting boards are designed with easy grip handles, allowing for effortless maneuvering. Whether you're transferring diced ingredients from the board to the pot or just need to reposition it, these handles provide a secure grip every time. Plus, the non-slip feet ensure stability during use, preventing any unwanted slips or slides, even on the busiest of cooking days. What really sets these cutting boards apart is their versatility. They feature a unique garlic grinding area, allowing you to chop garlic and then grind it right on the board without needing additional tools. This thoughtful design feature saves you time and minimizes the number of dishes you need to wash afterward. It's all about making your cooking experience more efficient. Health-conscious viewers will appreciate that these boards are BPA-free, ensuring that your food remains safe from harmful chemicals. The non-porous surface also means they won't absorb odors or stains, making them a hygienic choice for your kitchen. You can confidently chop, slice, and dice without worrying about lingering smells or flavors affecting your meals. With a stylish white design, these cutting boards complement any kitchen aesthetic. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or classic, they blend in beautifully. Plus, their durable construction means they're built to last, providing you with years of reliable use. In conclusion, the FIVETAS cutting boards with holder stand out as the best cutting boards for any home chef looking to elevate their kitchen game. With their convenient features, stylish design, and durability, they truly deliver on quality. So, if you're ready to invest in a cutting board set that combines practicality with elegance, this is the one for you. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more kitchen product insights. Happy cooking, and see you next time.